Hi, I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and I'd like to help you with your marriage. And one of the ways I can help you is if you subscribe to the channel and you watch these videos, and I can assure you my approach and the approach of the Marriage Foundation is completely different from anything that you will find anywhere else. We recognize marriage as being something that is intended to deliver happiness and love. That's what its purpose is, you might say. It's why we get married. And so we don't learn how in our society. Society is very negative. It's all about fixing the problems. But we're more about being proactively positive. And that's why this topic is so cool. I like this topic, which is, how do I make my wife feel beautiful? It's really easy, believe it or not. And a lot of men see women as vain and self-absorbed, and I think those men just don't get it. Hopefully, and I could tell just by the fact that you search this topic, you don't have that problem. You recognize that one of the powers that a woman has, just like men have powers, our power is that we are warriors and we can defend and we can use our reason and we can protect. And a woman's power is her beauty, isn't it? Isn't it? And sure, there are some women who are Hollywood style, more attractive than other women, but if you are even somewhat spiritually mature, you recognize that the true beauty of a woman isn't her physical appearance, but her true beauty manifests through her physical appearance. And just a smile will turn a woman who is homely into a woman who is beautiful. You know, and it's true. If there were a room at a party, the women who might be really beautiful but are snappy and snarling, they're not attracting the men. But a homely woman who is smiling and sweet and kind, she's attracting the men. Because we men don't marry women for their outward beauty, not so much. We marry women because they have this heart. They have this attribute that we don't have. We're all souls, that's true. But because of our gender biology, women are the ones who take care of children. They have to bear them and nurture them and raise them. And so nature has opened up their heart more, where we are more about the loyalty and defending the home and like that. So if you want to make your wife feel beautiful, you could tell her 1,000 times how beautiful she is, and it won't matter. But if you look at her with a melting heart, oh my God, and you don't say it out loud, but you feel it, oh my God, you're the most beautiful creature I've ever seen. She'll feel that. She'll recognize that. Women are attracted to you partially because you recognize what they are to you, you see? And so this beauty, even though it is important physically, women have to put on their makeup, they have to make their skin smooth and all of that. And a lot of men don't consider that important. And they go, will you hurry up? They want to rush them. But that's the opposite of what you should do. So really it boils down to recognizing how important it is for a woman to take care of herself as a woman and to appreciate that she is doing that. That's so important. And then the rest is being sure that you're not undermining that attitude by being in a hurry with them. Can't you go just a little faster? Why do you have to brush your hair another 5 minutes? It's already beautiful. When you do that, you're telling her, you're not all that beautiful. Don't even try. So a lot of it is holding your tongue, reevaluating how you see your wife, and expressing appreciation for her. You see, you want your wife to feel beautiful. Appreciation is the key. All right. I hope this makes sense to you. And I hope you join me again. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. Like the video. Leave a comment if you want. But visit again. God bless you. And take care.